Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Naturalroxxy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my flexi rod using the Cantu Shea butter line. When I say guys, this product just made my hair so nice, moisturized, shiny, and I'm just in love with this. So please stick around to watch me use these products and how I achieve my curly short flexi rod on my hair. Thank you guys for watching my channel again, and always I'll see you in my next tutorial. God bless. So this is the end result of my flexi rods, and when I say I am so surprised, I've never had no perm rods look this good. My hair is soft, very shiny as you can see, and it just came out perfect. So I didn't want the back to be all fold out. I still wanted it to be short and then a little high at the top. That's what I was going for. So, and I never thought that it will come out like this at all. At all. Like, I'm in love. Like, I love how my hair looks, and it just looks like I cut my hair to this shape. Never really wear my hair like this before, only when I did the big chop, and I would just put in, you know, protective hairstyles, but I really wouldn't wear this out so much. Only when it was really, really short, and then I had to do curly hair, then I would wear my hair out. But guys, like, I love this. So overall, let's talk about the product. The Cantu Organ Oil Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream is supposed to be deep moisturizing to protect your hair from damaged, formatted or overheated, overstyled hair. This I somewhat like, someone didn't like. It didn't give me the slip that I wanted as I put it in my hair. So I don't know, but it did leave, you know, a little moisturizing afterwards, but I still have to give this another try, and I maybe have to use it with something else. But as far as putting it in my hair, once I was finished with the tea tree rinse, it really didn't do much for my hair, but it may do something for somebody else's hair. But I do see, like, you know, see a lot of people say that they like this. It's okay, but I definitely gonna have to give this another try with something else. For the Cantu Shea Butter Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse Tea Tree Oil Refresher, gentle scalp detox deeply cleanses the scalp without stripping strands. Great for weaves, braids, locks, and extensions. So this, guys, I like this. This was really nice. My hair wasn't too dirty, but it was dirty because I had a protective style in it for the week, which was just a twist. And this smells really good. It didn't smell like apple cider vinegar. You can smell the tea tree oil in it more so than you did the apple cider in here. But I really like this, and because I always put my hair in braids and kinky twists and stuff like this, I'm going to be using this once I keep my hair in. I usually keep my hair in for like 3 weeks at a time, but in between that 3 weeks at a time, I like to wash my hair with the twist in. So I'm going to try this out, and I like this because it's no sulfate, no silicone, no parabens, and no mineral oil. So I really like this, and I even like the fact that it has this little nozzle. I wish most of the shampoos and stuff would have this on it, and when this is finished, I'm going to keep this and use it for that purpose. So with the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Wave Whip Curling Mousse, defines waves and curls without crush, touchable, frizz-free finish, weightless moisturizer and condition. Yeah, this did exactly what it says it does. It did moisturize my hair after. That's what it was. It was this. I didn't have any frizz. It feels very weightless. My hair feels so light and comfortable. And my curls, like, guys, look at that. Like, I love it, and I'll be using this again. I'll use this again. This is going to be in my staples when I want to do a curl twist out. I think I'm gonna try it on the twist out and see how it works with that. But for my rods and my curls, and I'm gonna use this again, definitely. Now for last but not least, the Cantu Edge for Natural Hair Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. Perfect for silk, smooth styling, and ponytails. This is also no sulfate, no silicone, gluten, or mineral oil. This is really nice. I like this. It did hold down my edges. I would have to see how it does when I go out in the heat, because I'm in a warm climate. So I want to see how it works with me going out in the heat. But overall, it doesn't have a bad smell. It has like a citrusy smell, which is really, really nice. I like this. This is nice. I like this. So I'll see how it performs out in the heat. But overall, it's just been a couple of hours. I would just definitely have to wear it to see how it works. And yeah, I'll see how it works too when I put a ponytail in, because I do like to wear a ponytail. But I do like the line. It is a wonderful, wonderful line, and I am definitely going to be using this line again. Cantu, I like this line. This is really nice. And this is my first time trying out Shea Butter line. I never tried it out before. I have been using from As I Am, and that's been working for me. My hair has been looking really, really healthy. So I'll leave a link up here so you could go ahead and watch that video. With that being said, I really, really love this product from Cantu Shea Butter. It was amazing, and I'm definitely going to be using it again. So please let me know what you thought about my hair. If you've ever tried Cantu, would you ever think about trying it? The products are just amazing, and they work for me. I know it may not work for everybody, but I do suggest that you go out and try it. Excuse me. It was really, really, it worked. Look at my curls. Like, I'm so shocked. I'm like so shocked that my hair looks like this. Like, I love this. Like, amazing. So guys, please, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to see me do more hair tutorials, as well as comment down below, thumbs up, and please share with your friends and family this video. If you really liked it, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye.